Hello there, and welcome back to our next section in the probability module. We are looking at combinations today, or in this video, and I want to start by giving you the definition of combination. It's very similar to permutation, except for one thing. Combinations are selections of objects. So we're still selecting objects just like we have been. Or values in which order does not matter. So this time there's no first, second, third place. Order doesn't matter. We're just picking combinations of things without worrying about which is first and second and so on. So here's a word problem and a formula. It says an airport does shuttle service from terminals to parking lots. The shuttle runs every 5 minutes. On a certain run, there are 2 seats left and 4 people waiting. How many ways can 2 passengers be chosen? Well, the first thing I want you to realize is that the 5 minutes is a distractor. This has nothing to do with our problem, and I'm going to go ahead and mark that out because the shuttle running every 5 minutes, that's just general information. It has nothing to do with what I'm trying to solve here. Okay, so let's get a mental image of what's happening in this problem. And I'm going to bring this down a little bit. You don't have to do that, but whoops, I took the G with me. That's not good. We'll use this formula in just a second. But let's get a picture of what we're doing. So here's the shuttle bus that if you fly into this airport and you need to get to your car, you can get on the shuttle and ride to your parking lot space. So we have this shuttle, and on the shuttle there are how many seats left? I don't know how many people are already on there, but I know that there are 2 seats still available. And then I have 4 people standing out here waiting to get on the shuttle. And what they're asking me is how many ways can 2 passengers be chosen? There's not a first place and a second place and who wins and loses. It's just a matter of how many ways can I choose 2 people to get on the shuttle. So will it be this guy and this guy? Would it be this guy and this guy? This one and this one? How many different possibilities do we have for this scenario? And this formula is going to help me tremendously on this one. Because order doesn't matter, this is just a matter of calculation. Let me show you how to set this up. So we're using this formula. N is going to be the number of people waiting. So how many people are trying to get on the bus, shuttle? And this is the number of seats that you have to put them in. So let's go ahead and carry this a step further. So number, and guys, I don't need an equal sign. I don't know where I'm getting that thing. You do need to erase that. If it's in your, I don't think I gave you the formula. I'm not sure if I did or not. But if I did, erase that equal sign. It shouldn't be there. So number waiting is 4. And how many seats are on the shuttle? There are 2 of them. So this is the problem that we need to put into our calculator. First thing you want to do is all clear. And the key that we need is the number 2. If you look above the number 2, you see NCR, and that's the combinations key. So we're going to say, all clear, we put in 4, which is the number of people. So 4 people are trying to get on this shuttle. And remember, it's not the 2 I'm after, it's this above the 2, the shift part. So 4 people are trying to get on a shuttle that only has 2 seats. And press equals, and I've given you an extra box. Sorry about that. All clear for shift 2. Oh, wait a minute, no. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I did need the extra box because I forgot to put in the seats. This is not the seats. This is the seats right here. The number 2 is the key that you have to press. This is 2 seats. So I have to press that 2 twice. I'm sorry. I thought I was okay. And then, so 2 equals, you get the number 6. So there are 6 possible ways that these passengers can board this bus. 6 possible combinations of people. Okay, in the next video, we'll look at some more examples of this, 2 more word problems, and I'll try not to mess those up. So I'll see you in the next video.